Are you looking to develop real estate but you're not sure how to do that? Welcome to this channel. Here you will find the videos that teach you how to develop and own more real estate. So a common misperception people have about developing real estate is that you will have to do everything from A to Z. Meaning you will have to find the land, entitle it, service it, build on it, then create a finished product on it. So in this video, we're going to do a quick breakdown of a development. The first stage is developing the land, change the zoning, getting the bylaw relaxed, assembly or severance, getting the permits, allowing a builder to come in and build. This is more like paper-based development strategy. And then you have the second stage, that is to service the land, bring utilities and make it more buildable for a builder. The third stage is actually doing the construction, putting a building on it. Value is created at all three stages, so you don't have to do everything. If you're good at finding deals, change the zoning, getting a permit, and just do stage 1. And if you're a contractor, you can do stage 2 and 3, where you do the physical work, or you can do all of it. And I'm going to give you some elaborations on these different strategies. Entitlement. In reality, builders do buy sites that are entitled. Because to a builder, dealing with a city might not be something they are good at or something they want to do at all. And if the city comes back declining the proposal, they want you to change the design, the cost will go up. These are uncertainties builders do not want to face. They want to avoid this stage. So if you can bring a piece of land that's zoned for something that's in demand and permits ready, you might be able to sell this site to a builder for a profit. You can also do a assembly, that is to combine a few or at least 2 lots into one. And usually people do this to create a larger lot. So the lot is not big enough to accommodate a larger building. All the properties sitting on larger lots are being put together to create multifamily lots. This is a very popular strategy currently given the demand for rental units here in GTA and across the nation. You can also do severance. Unlike assembly where you put lots together, severance is where you cut a lot into smaller lots. Currently here in Ontario, we have Bill 23 that allows 3 units to be built on 1 lot as of right. That means if you have a lot that's oversized, you can cut that into 2 or more lots, and on each lot you can build up to 3 units. And if the triplexes are side by side, once you have more than 5 units, you can also go to CMHC for financing. We'll talk about financing in more details later. Besides these strategies, you can also do raw land development, buy acres of land, subdivide the lots, service them, and there are some large institutional funds such as Blackstone that are currently buying land, creating single-family homes and duplexes in the United States just to have them as rental units. You can do that too. So if you are looking to learn how you can develop and own more real estate, please check out other videos on this topic. And we do offer one-on-one private consultations to people that want to develop and own more real estate. And if you'd like to speak with me directly, please go to my website, kailu.ca, to book a time. As always, thank you for watching this video. Please leave your questions or comments in the section below. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.